Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be doing chicken marsala today. Ooh, one of my favorite dishes. It's so tender, you are going to love it. So I got everything set up here. I got a little translation over here we're going to talk about in a second. But right now I want to tell you what I got. I got from Red Chef Cookware. It's a skillet. It's a saute skillet, and it's beautiful. And we're going to use it today. And I want you to stay till the end of the video, and I'll tell you what I think about it. Okay, here I'm gonna go get it for you. Don't go nowhere. Wow, look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at this. Don't you love the color? And you know what? It is kind of heavy. I love it. I love it. It's good for me to exercise too. You know. And then it's got the lid. And if you look at the lid, you see the different grooves on the lid there. It's set. This lid is set for all the other cookware that they have. That's right. You can get this, and it fits all the other pans because it got insets on it. Now here's the pan, as you can see. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, there you go. And you see this little vortex right in here. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. You see that little circle right there? Got it? Yeah. Guess what that is? Yeah. They designed this so when you put oil in your pan, it kind of supposed to stay in the center instead of it moving everywhere, and you kind of have to move all the oil around to kind of get everything oiled up. It's supposed to stay in the center, and we're going to try this out and see how it works. And it also is eco-friendly. That's right. This is a ceramic covered pan. That's right. That's right. It's good for the planet. You know what I mean? And also about the oil is that you use less oil that way. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and take this and put it back over there, and then we're going to talk about what we have on the island here. Don't go nowhere. All righty, here we are. I just want to go ahead and just read one little thing here because this is from Red Chef. The cookware is it's ceramic. It's good to cook on ceramic, electric, gas, and induction. Yeah, you can do all of those things with that, and it doesn't scratch the flat surface of your glass top if you have it, this special design they have on there. Okay, so here we are, folks. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you around the horn here. Okay, this is our chicken broth right here. Then we have our Marsala wine right here. Then we have butter. And we have some flour. And we have shallots. Look at these shallots, how beautiful they are. They are gorgeous. Then we have some this here, right here. You know what this is? It's parsley. That's right. And then we have garlic. And we have some mushrooms. And of course, over here, we have the chicken. Right. So now that I've taken you around the horn a little bit, let's go ahead and talk about some translation here. Okay, so come on over to the board. That's right. At the top, chicken breast. It's petto di pollo. Right. Mushrooms. Fungi. I love that. Garlic, aglio, Marsala wine, Vino Marsala. Ooh, doesn't that sound romantic? Yeah. Chicken stock is brodo di pollo. Shallots, scalogno. Thyme, timo. Parsley, pezzimolo. Butter, burro. Flour, farina, like Dennis Farina, who's a friend of mine, by the way. In fact, when I saw Dennis, I walked on stage and he was getting ready to do some acting there, and he goes, "Hey, what are you doing here? There's only one Italian allowed on stage at one time." He said, "I'm taller." And so I had to get out of there. But anyway, he's a very nice man, by the way. He's not with us anymore, but I love that guy. Then we have pepper, which is pepe. Yeah. All right, thanks for joining me over at the stovetop. We're going to try our new Red Chef cookware pan with the vortex center for the olive oil, of which I'm going to go ahead and add some olio d'oliva, olive oil, right in the center. And we'll go ahead and do that. And just to get it going, just like this. A little bit of olive oil, olio d'oliva, okay? And let's swish it around like so. Look at this, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and add some aglio, garlic, aglio, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put most of it in because I'm going to use a little bit of garlic later, okay? Like so. Then I'm going to add the shallots. How do you say it? Scalogno. Shallots. Scalogno. Right. And we're going to go ahead and put those in just like so. Whoop, get in there. And then we got some, what is this? Burro. Butter. Burro. I'll go ahead and slide that in, just like so. And then come on over and we'll start sauteing. Oh my goodness. All right, so now that is sauteing there a little bit, and I wanted to get it going, and the aroma is unbelievable. And now I'm going to come over and I'm going to get my, what is it? What is it? Now I know you know it's mushrooms. Fungi. Fungi. Isn't that a fun word, fungi? Hey, Michael Fungi, come here. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our fungi, okay? Just put them in, just like so. And then we start stirring those. Get them going. Okay, we are sauteed to where I need it to be. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to transfer this into this pan over here. Whoa, look at that. This pan worked good. Non-stick. I love that. So we'll set that aside, just like so. Now what we're going to do is I'll turn this down for right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to the island and we're going to dredge the polo, the chicken, in flour. Farina. Dennis, that is. Okay, we're getting ready to dredge our chicken, the polo, chicken polo. And there it is. Look at those chicken breasts. You could use 4 or 5 of these. These are thinly sliced, okay? And these, oh, it's going to be, they're going to melt in your mouth. So let's go ahead and start dredging here, okay? Take them like this, very simple, and go in just like so. This is so simple, just like that. Nicely covered. Look at that. Oh, isn't that good? Just like that. And we'll do another one. Okay. Okay, back over here at the old stovetop with our Red Chef cookware pan. Put a little bit of olive oil in there, and now I'm getting ready to go ahead and put in the dredged chicken, the polo, into them. Well, we're going to cook them a little bit on each side, and then I'm going to add all the other ingredients. Okay, so let's go do that, okay? Okay. Looks delicious, doesn't it? I'm going to add a little bit of sale. And a little bit of pepe. Yeah, pepe. My mother had a little poodle when I was a kid. A little doggy. She named it Pepe. Little pepper. Well, it was very peppy, I got to tell you. So we're going to let it cook a little bit of here on each side. Now what I'm going to do is you can come on in. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over already. Just like so. And we're going to let them cook on that side. Okay, so what I did earlier, I didn't do it on camera. I made a roux. That's French. And you put a little butter and a little flour, equal parts. You melt that all down and you let the flour and the butter mix really well. And then you add a little broth to that and you stir it up. Now the reason I make that is because I want to make the roux, I'm going to put it in and make it, the marsala, I'm going to make it as a base. I'm going to make it it'll be a little thicker. That's how I kind of like it. I'm going to move the polo off a little bit, and I'm going to bring in my pre-sauteed, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my marsala. Here it is, my marsala. It's going in, just like so. And I'm going to stir that up a little bit like that, get that going. Okay. And then I'm going to add some of my roux. That's all I'm doing, just a little bit. How you like that? And then I'm going to go ahead and mix that. It helps thicken it. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. Now, once I do that, it will thicken up even more coming up. So just stay tuned. So I'm going to move that off now. Bring my polo back in. Check it out. And I'm going to go ahead and flip them like this. Just like so. Look at that. Oh, it looks gorgeous, doesn't it? There you go. And we start cooking on that side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and I'm going to mix in all my sauce with my marsala. Turn it down a little bit now. And let it do this. Okay. And now, guess what? Time for the broth, the chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and add that. That goes in. There we go. Now, what we're going to do there is let it cook down some. And you're going to see what's next, so don't go nowhere. It looks good, doesn't it? All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some parsley, which is pezzimolo. Pezzimolo, here it is. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there like so. Oh, that's going to be good. And then, of course, I got my sprigs of thyme. How do you say that? Timo. Let's go ahead and put those in there just like this. There you go. And going to let that cook down. Well, I'm telling you what, it's cooking down. It's thickening up very nicely. I think you're going to enjoy this dish. Come on and take a final look before I go to the island. Wow. Thanks for joining me here on Vito's Italian Cucina for Chicken Marsala. Okay. It's a great dish. It's so tender. You're going to love it. And we used our Red Chef cookware. And I got to tell you what I think about it. And you know what? It performed great. Great color. I love that little vortex that helps keep the oil in place. It's eco-friendly. You could use it on all kinds of stovetops, right? And I give it, from 0 to 10, I give it a big 8. That's right. And if you want one of those, I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description for Amazon. That's where they're going out from, Amazon. So go ahead and check it out. I think you'll like it. But for now, I need you to come in closer. I got to taste this. Come on in. Come on in. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that looks. Does it look good? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Here we go. I'll take it from here, okay? A little bit. Oh, my God. Look how easily that cuts. It's so tender, I swear. Let me go like that. Right here, okay? And I'm going to put a mushroom right on top there, just like so. Let's see if I can do this. This is going to be kind of hot, I think. Ready? Huh? Oh, oh, wow. Wow. I love it. Vito's Italian Cucina. Come back and join us. Please come and subscribe. I love you. Join the familia. A ciao for now. I think I have another bite.